Hey people, we are not wearing heels today because we are doing something more serious than that. We are wearing fucking tennis shoes. And you know why? Because we are going to cut our grass in our lawn. So I'm going to show you how to use the lawnmower, which is from GreenWorks, and it's 20 inches wide, and I have 12 ampere, and it's electric, which is amazing. So make sure you got very good shoes, very comfortable, very sturdy. Put on your glasses because you want to protect your eyes, and put on something skimpy because you don't want to sweat, right? Let's do it. So here is GreenWorks lawn mowers, 20 inches wide. So how it works? First you have to get very long cord extension and attach it to your electric, it's not gas, it's electric lawnmower, just like that. So there is a special brake right here which will not let your cable go away, so you will not pull it. So even if you move around, it will not pull it off. So how you turn it on? It's very easy. You see this bottom here, and this is the bail right here. So what you do, you push the bottom and you pull the bail up towards the handle, and then how you want to turn it off. Look, so I turn it on right now, push, and when you let it go, it just stops, which is amazing. So the specifics of the lawnmower, if you want a specific grass height, it's between half an inch and 3 inches. So you basically do like that, pull it towards you and just move it to any height you need, like 1 inch, 2 inch, 1.5. I'm usually keeping it at 2.5 inches. That's my perfect height of my grass, by the way, nothing else. So anyway, let's see how it cuts the grass. Again, make sure your cable is not in the way because it's totally sustainable. I'm all about being sustainable because gas, it's like, again, you're burning it, it's the heat goes in the atmosphere, that's not good, not healthy. So this is electric, way better, and it's lighter, by the way. It's way lighter than gas lawnmower. So how it works again, so we just push the bottom, pull the bail, anyway. Bottom line is, I'm using very sustainable product which made in United States, and the name is GreenWorks electric lawnmower, 20 inches long. That's a nice actually size, 20 inches, right? Go ahead and buy it, and you'll never feel bad for that because it's the best thing you can ever do for our earth. Okay? Come back and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Damn it. Bye.